It's the 15th of February 2026 Jairus Chiri charity match. Highlanders taking on Dynamos Football Club here at Papa Field Stadium. You're watching Pass and Move, special program brought to you by ETEP3 Events, ETEP3 Media, and also ETEP3 Studio. Pura Sam,
Skipan kiwa
Mnandi kama
amna Brandon
Brandon Skiban.
yani la mabelenja
Unachai Blake.
Blake yizo phela mera ngezi plakile phela phala
Wangeni Blake nazo usenzele singakufuniyo phakathi.
Sebenza ukuthi ngibona sibona yabona iBlake iyenza ukuthi umuntu ephakathi ehlezi yabo concentrate boring.
Alright, put us in friendly Jairus is for a good cause. Kuchone kuwe lo. Besazi Dynamos.
Yabona i-friendly kanje ehlisi izotest ukuthi ucoach esitaye kahle kahle kuyini asiphathele khona njengomuntu odlalele emazweni kuma big teams namuhla lilanga la ukuthi sabe sifumbona kahle kahle ukuthi hayi ugudu onganani ubhobo onganani ngoba kulast game ngeke ngambukela edlala eBonda Pirates ngathi defense ngathi ayilunganga i-defense ngathi imphansi kakhulu bethu so namuhla sifuka umboni kahle kahle namhla akule game le beyasayi umsindo no hayi namhla hayi umsindo asiwuvusa hayi sifuka ubona kahle ukuthi usiphatheleni njengowe buyile ubuye lani because sikhayelela ukuthi makuthi namhla igame yakhe iswi hayi singa continue la but ngabe lavuzise namhla
Evuzisa yeFrank uphela.
yeFrank
iFrank nje ukulalela. iFrank yena mhlawumbe uyadlala ibini abangaregister or kanjani.
Exactly. But kokela ukuthi ukuvela avuzise kuphela. Baba hayi awenzi idinyoyo usayi. Hayi. Kumele aka-prove ipoint. Kumele a-maintain i-status ka-KK zazokuthi vedinyoyo kayisayi.
Ngiyabuza Brandon, alright ayishap. Mana sibona ukuthi uzazana ngomo siyabonana after ball.
Hayi ngiyabe ngikhona khonapho ngesayi.
Shap my brother. Buya brothers.
Mina ngakwazi ukuthi yini betha yini thola TikTok. ETEP3 Events.
Tell YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, no uyibona on special. I think YouTube ngase ko shop no uyibona.
Alright, you subscribe.
Yeah, not kangaka nje. Uthi I'm not sure but I will subscribe mawuthi angasubscribe ngacheka mbo.
Siyabonga. Kodwa siyamusha mkhuluma lwani?
Ngobanele lo Goodman banele Ndlovu. Abantu bathi ngobanele umculi kaMaskandi ya.
Banele umculi kaMaskandi right ngumculi.
Yeah.
Silande iJairus series for a good cause. Frank le Dynamos ukhayeleleni wena kuyini okulandile ukuthi uzokubona namhlanje since kuyi-Frank i-pre-season ibhora sanda uqalisa.
I-pre-season iyachaza nje khona ukuthi bahlanze iDynamos but ke sifisa ukubona khona ukuthi story nje sibe le picture nyana ukuthi kahle vele ibhozo isiphathelene kule season so yiko nje sikujabulela ukuthi sizobona ukuthi abafana bakhona yini balolongekile ukuze sibe kwathi mhlambe sizokhala kumbe siyethemba mbijana ukuthi isizini iqala mhlambe kuzoba ngcono so yiko sizokubona nje namuhla.
Alright.
Yeah.
Then imali yonke ethoya kuJairus nje lokhana yiko sokuthi is for a good cause even ngathi kuthiwa kuyadura then kuyi-pre-season kunjalo i-result at the end of the day ngiyakwazi thina maybe ngabe lile pressure but i-result asithandi abalala khona lokho ukuthi ukuthi sobuntu abafana abalolongekile wena khona ukuthi uzanikeza imali yakho iJairus kutshoni kuwe.
Kuyinto enhle kakhulu ukuthi sisiza abafowethu kona iJairus sisiza kakhulu abantu abakhubazekileyo so la ukuthi ngibuyela lapha ngazobukela ibhora but imali yakho siya ngale kwazi ukuthi ngicontributile ngibasizile labana abantu so kuyinto enhle kakhulu kodwa ke hayi noma kuyikuthi i-Frank match noma kuyikuthi yini ngabe kuthiwa yi-Black Chiefs benza khona ukuthi i-result doesn't matter but iDynamos kumele siyichaye into engayisho nje kuphela. Hayi
nge-prediction
prediction ngifisa 2-0.
Ufisa 2-0
ukuthi kuyafika abantu kanjani hayi mfana ngifisa 2-0 kuphela.
Alright.
Yini ngifisa.
Hayi. Siyabonga brother. Alright. My brother.
Yebo bhuti njani?
Amnashap. Rastaman.
Undertaker ezongulo Undertaker.
Angakubuzile ukuthi
angithe Undertaker. Ungambuzi. Doesn't matter what you think. Just tempo Undertaker.
Nice one my brother. Pura siyam. Yebo. iFrank uRasti yamuza ukuthi Undertaker iFrank esilandileyo pre-season good cause Jairus Chiri kutshona ukuthi
ukuthi this is the right opportunity ukuthi abafana besibonisa ukuthi basiphathelene and at the same time ngifuna ukuthi bebekwazi ukuthi bengahide the fact that ukuthi sithi it's pre-season Jairus Jerry Cup engekho la ku-official competitions game. No, we don't want them to hide behind that. I-big game lay and sifuna ama-results. Sifuna ukuwina. We sacrifice a lot to come this side and we want them to show character as much as we show them character to come and support them.
So ukuthi Frank yakulandaba.
Ukuthi Frank lakulandaba, this is a big game. We want results.
I get you. Do you share the same sentiments?
Linjani Mahlabezu? Vele ngingazidlala le Dynamos. Akula Frank. Lokho vele sathi vela sizalwa Highlanders and Dynamos. I see ukuthi siyalwa but that rival ekhona between the two teams and it tells you and whether it's a friendly or what, as long as you are playing Dynamos you have to up yourself. Because labo benjani and labo vele abazoze basizwe ungaphaza balithanda. So lathi thina anti abafana sibakhuthaza ukuthi abadlala ibhola.
Kuyini ukuthi ukhalela ukubona kakhulu?
Mina engikhangelela ukubona ngifuna ukubona improvement. You know ama players amaningi ahambile anti sile lama gaps amaningi. Mina engingakutsho nje ukuthi wona nama players akhona lama coaches they should carry on from last season anti we lost America this other and what laba babuya khonapho kumele labo bathi babadlule labana babekhona.
Or the prediction yakho?
Hayi mina obviously vela ngeke ngifise ukuthi Dynamos win. I-Highlanders iyazwinela 3-1.
3-1. Yakho?
3-0 to Highlanders.
A nice one Machita. Sharp Martin. Sharp. Sharp brothers. Laba lo baba mnathi. Baba mnathi ndephi?
Bo baba. Kuyino.
Uphunazi mbani?
Muchuma ilitshe lemali.
Mtara mbani?
Richard Machote.
Alright, but namhlanje ndi-charity.
Yes.
I-friendly game. Highlanders versus Dynamos. Chicha mutarisira chamudaona pa Dynamos ne-Highlanders pa friendly yo.
Pa friendly. Since the supporter 7 each and kuda it's a friendly in the bora ma outcome arikubuda ndiwawo and pa charity asikazi charity charity begins at home.
Yes.
Zvati rufaro rotangira pamba nezvino pandiri kukura kwadoita tiri pamafaro edisizo vanhu veZimbabwe.
Yes.
Sezvo isitako zvidi takavhara rusununguko rwedisizo sezvoita kune kudzimwe nzvimbo kunze uko zvatachiona isiso saka baba munashe ndoti zviri kuitwa kana akazvironga ngaaramba achizvironga gore negore.
Tatenda baba chauda uedha pamusoro
Ngiyabonga ubaba okhulumayo ngolitshe lemali. Into efuna ukuyibonga ile ama games zona lawa kumbe ama teams zona lawa bemfisa mina ngesifiso sami ukuthi ngabantu ababambeneyo kumbe ngama teams abambeneyo vele akumelanga lendi umdlalo omnandi sibili sorry ngiyawuthanda khona lokho ukuthi sikwenze khona lokho. Hayi ngiyabonga sibili vele ama teams lawa Highlanders Dynamos vele akumelanga kufe khona lokho. Ndalumba lokho sibili kuti ngwambule muchitonga kuti twalumba hayi hope ukuthi ama teams wonke wona lawa nje ama teams ahlanganisa into yonke kumbe vele ilizwe lona lelo sikhuluma ngalo.
Nice one. Mana yenza uphuta ziwe yambura interview yakho.
Ndinofara nekundipa mukana kwamandita kudai so tiri kuona bhora reDynamos neHighlanders. Kufara tichionawo matimu zedu gore richitanga kuti akagadzirira zvakadii pakutamba kwavataita. Riri bhora reuchamwari tinoda kufara tose tichiona bhora iri matambiro avanoita vakomana nekutambawo kwese kuri kuita vakomana veHighlanders neDynamos paleague game dzichazotevera pakutamba apa. Ndatenda hangu.
Handisabonga Mtara. Buya puta twazi.
Nangu tira piriso.
Buya.
I roll it. Eva camera roll.
Yeah, roll up.
Right. Dynamos. I'm giving them 1. I've got 2 goals on Highlanders. That's all I can say. Yes.
Nice one. Thank you, my brother. Mira tawre na mom.
Hello.
Sister Debbie. Where? Right, Putwam. Hey, ngaze ngihamba nabo sisi abahle ngiyakholisa njalo. Sisi wami ngishap.
Mina ngishapha hamba nje.
Mina bonke shap. Sisi wami ngishap.
Ngi-right sikhopani.
Namhlangana sihlangana nge-charity ayile ndaba ezaDynamos. Kutshoni kuwe lokho?
Hayi kusho ukuthi thina le iDimbare le Highlanders kumele sibambane. Sihlale sinjalo. Akula kudwa sibantu ayi.
Yes. Sisi wami ishoni i-charity kuwe?
Kimi lapha i-charity senzela abantu abagogekileyo.
Number 1.
Ungangeni ngehathi, ungangeni ngani. Support idliwe sisabona sathatha abathatshisi la
Sizidila
akakalisi angeni ngehathi
wena kulo ukhangelele kuwe kona
ngifuna ubona mina ukuthi basiphathelele abafana ngisabona kuphela
wena siwambuyini ukhangelele
sakhangelela ukuthi laba abancane kukhanya i-Highlanders le Dimbare kade sisebenza ama-players abancane sifuna ukuthi babuild
labo coach batha
coach bankona ama-team wonke angu-2 and I'm very happy ukuthi layo i-Highlanders yaze yakhumbula ukuthi ithathe ishona ifake
into nje la kuthi
konke kuvumelana lapha the best team win
ngama predictions
mina ngena nge-1-1 then kungakuhamba kula ma-penalty akwazi ukuzahamba but ngicina nge-1-1 futhi lokhu zidala
wona ke sizwa
lapha iDimbare yathatha
Dimbare yathatha
2-0
nice one my sister thank you we are in good Babokuthila nje afoza amanje masuki thinga wani phela eDimbare Bungulwe lo tobla lo Scotland ukurumela poze top lo tobla lo Scotland lo Mutara mushap right purchase amna shapo men sihlangana nge good cause i-charity pre-season friendly Highlanders versus Dynamos ukhangeleleni kura
hayi i-problem yethu yasekabakwazi ukuthi abafana bapheke kanjani kodwa thina isifiso sethu ukuthi hayi kube kuhle kube mnandi mfowethu endlela smart kodwa thina vele into esingayivumeli ukuthi sidliwe iDynamos singadliwa wonke ama-team but iDynamos
noma
kuyi-friendly noma kuyini kuyi-cup asivumi ukudliwa iDynamos.
Alright lawo uvumelana noBudas
Ngivumelana kodwa mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngivumelana naye mthatha lapha abantu angithi babekhuluma izinto ezibona ku-Facebook sizwa kuthiwa hayi umdala uBhenji uzenza so asiboneni ibhora mthatha le pre-season le so gijimela ukuthi sijaje izinto sithi hayi le ndawo so asiboneni nxa ukuthi izalazi ibhora ukuthi abafana badlala
ali pre-season
noma singadliwa madoda kuyabe kungela problem angithi fanele sibone ukuthi abafana batshovala bana bami njani
hayi wena ukhangelele wena personal wena
mina namhlanje noma ungaba yini mdala wami noma ungenza ngomapina noma ungaba yini noma yilozi ngifuna uzosibonela
thank you my brother
uzosibonela ngomatshela angathi maybe 2-1 i-2-1 ngakuthi yabe right
ngapha kumbe masithi buyangena lo buya ngapha sembharansisa ikhweji sesihamba Machitani shap
sikhona linjani futhi
amna shap uyakhuluma uyatawura kubiza
konke siyangena
amnandi Suitman
sure skibani
amnandi gents i-pre-season friendly i-charity match is for a good cause kutshoni kuyini nje ama-supporter eDynamos le Highlanders ngiqale kuwe ngapha
hayi siyabonga kakhulu ngokukhokhela okuya wakhona ukuthi i-friendly le ibe khona kuyasithokozisa njalo kuma-organizers of this event ukuthi beke beyenze ukuthi njalo ama-fans ebhoso leDimbare beke be-flex ama-muscles abo as we look forward towards to the new season. Yeah.
Suitman
khona into ekahle kakhulu thina abe-Highlanders sikhangelele lento manje bengikhangela ibhasi ngibona ibhasi nasiyana sibili khona one into ayeqiniso salande enye iqiniso phakathi ngapho ukuthi uMoraro uphethe kanti uMoraro
one into eqiniso ucela utshela manga
ngacala ubatshela manga angibonile nasiyana sibili ibhasi nasiyana
Budas wena ufuna ubona personal eground ucoach wakho mutsha coach wayelinda mutsha ufuna ubona sisiya ku season entsha kuyini
okay mina njengokhangela kwami Dynamos this season according to our vice chairman Jawora, he promised us that there's going to be a very huge change in terms of the executive and also the guys who are manning this team. There are a lot of things that he promised us earlier on radio. So we just hope that up there, when they make things happen, obviously on the ground, it's going to be a smooth sail. Yes. So as of today, there's nothing much to expect. The season is about to start. They are flexing muscles. There are a lot of things that are expected from the club. One or two things. The guys there are new guys coming in, so there's a bit of time that to expect them to gel and also to see which club as we go forward. Yeah, I mean, we've got a new coach. Genesis Mangombe is very experienced in this league, so we just expect him. We know his game. He plays a very defensive game. But going forward with these techniques, how is he going to make sure ukuthi club yethu ngapha phambili siyawuhambisa njani?
Yebo. Ngapha kwayelethe wena ukhayelele njengoba nawo uMaruwari mutsha.
Yeah, mina engukuthi this is i-back of Zimbabwe. Yiyo ama-team amakhulu eZimbabwe nalawa ayi-2 ayikho eScotland abasikhuluma ama-team amakhulu. So thina as ama-supporters e-Islander into esikhangele loba sidlala i-friendly against Zimbabwe. Namhla sidlala sile pressure ukudlula yanamhlanje. Because yanamhlanje iloMororo phakathi esifuna a-prove i-point. Singazi njoba ibhasi yethu inhle ukudlula eZimbabwe mbona siyawina. Ngoba iLiverpool iwinile yabo mbona siyawina ngoba kakhela amabhasi ayethu sibili inhle ukudlula eZimbabwe siyawina 2-1.
I-prediction yakho?
My prediction will come to Dynamos 2-0.
2-0. Yep. Nice one, Machida. Sharp, my brother. Thank you so much. Sharp.
No number 11, don't get there. Mahachi. So. I say,
Sharp, Machida. My brother. Skipper.
I came in Nadia Kuru Kubona Lemguania Mustapon Plazinkani. For 100 years, Stapon Plazinkani. For 100 years. Asifuni bumbu.
After Tabile Mtala.
We want to join the team with
I posted a car in Tala. Kamakipu span with Fafano Bambado. I don't know what I'm telling you. Sabonga pension. Sabonga. Let's win. Let's put them a winning. Season is a pillar. Since I'm a winning. Put them a winning.
But it's we want to do it.
I ain't a team with you. Who pay on chicken man? They shoot them out. But I team right. I remember Picana. But team with team. Team is a long. Oh, for never again a simple.
Sharp, my brother. Skipper.
I
we want to join the team.
I team is angifuna nje kulungiswa kancane.
So ngathi kona
Hayi i-attack.
Ku-attack.
Le defense nje bangayikhanda khanda. I think this season is right.
The team.
Hayi i-team yiyo. I-team ezolo. Hayi siyabonga iwe.
Buya Rasta wesabe buya. Buya Rasta. Ngiyabonga ukukhona zakhuluma la mara. Buya Rasta. Rasta.
Abamdala.
Skipper.
Kama njani mdala?
Ngoke mnandi.
Yini mdala?
Pre-season friendly charity ibone njani ke?
Nice bekuclean. Kodwa silesikhalazo. Esikhulu kabi. Uchiva usilethe uPenjani wathi ngafuna udlalela ile ndaba yeteam ezintsha. Uyikocha njani team ezintsha yena emfundo? Lesi sikhalazo ngifuna usibuza. Lokho ngisibuza la kathesi. uPenjani uyikocha njani team ezintsha? Yena wathi ngakwanisa ukuyidlalela esadlala ibhola.
Bathi kodwa nxa eliyenzela kuhle kusorani.
Akuna nto eyenziwe. Abafana yibo abayenza into enhle.
Nguwembe lo coach.
Asiyodlala.
But batshelwa nguwembe.
Ukuthi bedlale njani? Mina ukuthi ekhaba njani bo? Yena ngwaka.
Futhi asiyamosha.
Futhi unjani lapha?
Mina ngisapho.
Hayi mina igame ngiyajabulela bafo. Hayi phosi idlalile. Uma ngingama-supporters begemini silande iwin kumbe i-draw melos kodwa sijabule kakhulu ngoba iphosi idlalile. From esingakuzwanga lesikuzwile ukuthi i-Rangers support sign ama-players lawa kodwa i-Rangers idlale ibhora elisichazayo ngoba iwinile. I-Gyros Jiri lapha ekhona bajabulile ukuthi i-fundraising le bikhona bathole something.
Nice one.
From Highlanders. Siwinile igame fair and square. uNompembe utshayile sibili hayi sijabule kakhulu. Siyabonga umali uPenjani aqhubeke idlala ibhola enjalo.
Siyabonga my brother.
Siyabonga.
Nice one my brother. Bara qhubeke lo muntu omdala.
ndianda kuambura
yambura mjara yambura
timu yako moyo yakayokera pamadinda ami andikaira kapotoloko ndirakope zvakurusuro bandapotelwa loko akutira kwaita airenda so byenga kirimo muso asizinotapotelwa loko
imamenya mbira kwambiri
no kuyotampongoze utamwiroko yatera mbulimbo bobo ino tiyakuleloko ndalomba ndepopeka
toboka byara
Butters nanyabonga Butters iphoswani sesiqalisile lapha yazi bekuthiwa siyakha itimu yethu sizilungisele itimu yethu siyakhile itimu ibhosi isayinile uyabona abafana abasemuva lapho yabona umduwa esikhala ngayo u-art esikhala ngayo sesilabo bonke bakhona abafana ubabonile yibo bona laba abafana esibafunayo Nigeria hariya gogo ngongongongo
my brother, what's up? I'm nice.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi be ucoach ngalo wami ngithi welcome to the Republic of Islanders. Ilizwe lethu awunoningi coach supporter isizini zephela siyabo.
Mafana buye. Ubona njani ke boys? Ubona njani ke?
Ngibone kahle.
Ujabuleleni. Kana abikhamela. Ujabuleleni.
Ukuthi bosi winile.
Uwinile. Kuphela. Nice one.
Ukuthi badlale kahle.
Badlale kahle. Ujabulile. Nice one. Shama Mafana. My brother.
Sure.
How far?
Siyabonga coach. I thought today was an experiment esithengisa team yakhe team but njengeboso ngelenye cup esayithatha lisesithethe Jairus maybe ezinye lezi hayi but let's hope coach try to experiment at first man anzalibona ndlala we thought maybe be dynamic kusinike team yonke siyibone
okay
yabo hayi siyabonga uDarling Thole ayisekhona fitness siyabonga imit siyabonga one good thing I like it akuna umuntu ongareplaceekile awu replace the coach siyabonga
nice one my brother well done mana ngizumthatha mane botipo my brother Nishab nakamba
hayi team iqonda si replace Darlington ukhona lapha yaqondakala and uBenjana sonke siyakwazi bezingani inhliziyo zintengentengi uthe kuyela sonke sila siyakwazi
likwazini
ukuthi sizambona ama results brother yes kawine sibona engadliwa asimxothi aqotsha umuntu iground iza njani yamxothi
nice one
umuthi khona of course level kuyafana ukuthi friendly we cannot talk about a win because iDynamos ibivelela ingekho committed ibingamali ibingayenzini we do not want to talk ukuthi khona bengabe bedlalele ukuthi bebevele ukuzoluza uBenjani asikalibona ibhora lakhe let's not lie about the training right probably into ekhona is mina ukubona kwami uzenzo influence kazenzo is evident eyakhupha is evident into esibona uBenjani sifuna ukumbona kuligi esidlalela ibhora lakhe sibone ifilosofi yakhe ebhora lakhe ukuthi khona ulidlala njani we cannot judge him the friendly match we won we are ahead sifuna ukumthatha zakhe aziphiweyo azibonelayo sicela sifuna ukuthi uDarlington zakuma last season uDarlington is the player to watch udlale kuhle siyabonga kakhulu umbiko bengathi nakho probably is going to improve siyabonga goalkeeper namhlanje sibonge futhi ukuthi kongona umfana uPrince bengathi unjani but siyabonga uma ngathi kabuye la sibonke kusefele lutho yini ngoba baphela lo mntwana
mana be rasta mana be wavale kamera yabo
Nazokhuluma ku-goalkeeper wethu uriwatch today unyenzela kahle and then ithatha unjalo Jake qina mfana ubuye lazo ubudlala aba-Pirates udlala uyalazo ekhathi kubona ukuthi umenja.
Nice one.
Danko.
Shout my sister.
Azasibo ama-touches kamahathi loba engene last minute kodwa ama-touches akhe siyabonga umahathi. Loba engene 2 minutes kodwa ama-touches akhe nomori la siyabonga. Benjamin. Siyabonga mfowethu. Mina ngibonga uBenjamin ngendlela i-team edlale ngayo ngibona ngathi singakhonjina sinje. Ngibona ngathi asingeke sibe nokusalela emuva siyahlala phambili ngoba i-team ngendlela edlale ngayo ijabulisa umuntu wonke njengoba ngalomsindo kube yi-fair ukuthi i-team idlalile abantu badliwe. Nje i-team idlalile sicela ucoach ecoaching ngale ndlela adlale ngayo.
Siyabonga. Mara yedura.
Yeah, mina ngithi i-team ini idlale mnandi akithi but singachazwa i-cup yokuthi it's not friendly but besingawasile emalini kumbe
charity
uThiva kumbe iphili Dynamos
hayi charity rasta
charity
sirenzela imali uJairos Chiri
thank you for that now usengwazi imates athi so i-restaurant sicela next game esiqalayo kube le 442 emnandi umahathi that guy usimotivated engena ubonile even the play game yakhe kuthintshile wonke umuntu wangena enhlizweni yakhe yeboss siyayibongela umahathi siyamsupporta vele kangene bengakhangela ama previous akhe ukuthi kwenzakalani kwathini umthomi kamnikela i-game time laye lathi singeni konke kube mnandi egemini ibhoso
nice one rasta
mina ayina amaningi bakhiwa ngithi umahathi ku-first 11 Benjani faka umahathi ku-first 11 umahathi le-spirit esebhoso
anti namhla bekuyi-training so zama ukubona
sicela ukuthi sidlala le-blood shift simcela ku-first 11
lapha team yabisi ngoba nabantu phela abanye abadlalayo ngabatrayayo abarejistwayo so kusabonakala
isicelo lesi njengama-supporters simcela
we were given ama-ticket abhale 2025 we were given tickets written 2025
bengayi-formality kuphela
so I heard last season bengingekho kuthiwa igame ye-Dynamos le-Islanders kwagcina abanye sebengena bengela ama-tickets into eyenzakalayo and asange sathola i-explanation ukuthi i-accountability of those funds yahamba haya kuphi manje sithola ama-ticket abhale 2025 what does that mean
charity just for ukuthi kube le-ode ekungeneni kwabantu nje kuphela
no it's charity but we need accountability as ama-fans angithi isenza izimfa kumbe i-Islanders or aba-organize this cup or whatsoever accountability liyasiqila asikufuni khonokho
ngiyakuzwa
asikufuni give us tickets abhaliweyo Jairos Chiri charity cup so that we are satisfied ngama-fans ethu we paid $5 but we were given tickets written 2025 what does that mean asikufuni madoda i-corruption yasibulala sicela lilungisise izinto ayifeda ngicela ilungisisani izinto Chivayo uyasikhumbuza kudala nje lathi labokhokho bethu baduduzeka lathi siyaduduzeka makusenzakala so ngendlela oyenza ngayo nje kunjalo ngela I'm so happy goodbye
nice one my brother Vetis man kajero Vetis yabe
yes
apa Vetis
sisi mdala man
charity friendly
yeah this is very nice hayi kuhle kakhulu yakwazi siyabonga ngathi ngibatshela uqala ukuthi khona hayi lwana umuntu wayekhona asowethi methu kadesi sekuyelile etimini yakhe khangela ukuthi iboss yenza njani ngophi lo ajila the one that we're talking about hayi ngitsho nginandaba lokuthi amfuna ukumbona but khangela bro wami after laphana kuyikuthi ade ngasekho etimini within a period of 2 weeks ade sebobisi team what does that mean we understand ayisikho khona lokho khangela bro wami hayi siyabonga into eyenziwe nguChivayo ngokuthi khona asponsor lokho zeneni i-Islanders
siyayibonga kakhulu, you understand. Yikho sizwa sokule ngoma ethi hayi uchivayo lishona le boss.
La ngabona igidi.
Vele ingoma le yazi ukuthi khona siyayisho ukuthi khona hayi senzele okuningi kakhulu ukudlula lokho okwenzakeleyo khathesi. No ayipho yakwazi. uBenjani la nyafisa ukuthi akhuphule ispirit sakhe yakwazi. Ama players ethu no nge-first half they were very slow. Kufanele ukuthi vele pace kufanele ukuthi ihlale njani.
Yabuya chase zisuka.
Ya uyakwazi ukwenzela ukuthi lathi nxa sibukele silomfutho. Okwenza ukuthi khona singasupporti kakhulu yikuthi khona ipace yabe slow. But ipace ingaba higher lathi vele sibe njani. Up uyabona akula muntu ohlala phansi nxa kuyikuthi ipace yami game vele up. So vele siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. Well done Highlanders. Thank you so much.
My brother.
Uthi hamba kanjani?
Okay fresh.
Bonke la ngiyajabula mntaba.
Charity friendly.
Igame idlale kuhle mntaba baba. I would like to thank everyone who came to support Highlanders. We played a very good game. Ekubeni ama players akabile combination right but passing a good result. Meaning ukuthi sebe le combination will see a better result than this one and a better game and a better skill than this one. But okwakhathesi mina ngedwa labanye abantu ombono ofana nami I'm satisfied. uBenjani angabile ndaba lama critics from emasayidini vele umfazi maye senda bakhona bamchothozayo but singakwazi ukuthi impumela usapheka imboza angeke siyikhuluma umuntu ephehla sizalibona seliphelile. Ngiyabonga.
Nice one my brother.
Hayi sibonge ukuthi team idlalile siyayibona. Siyabonga. Sicela ukuthi next season la nxa ibuya size eqala la injani ibiqinile. Bakhona lapha abalekha khona ama yende but hayi ngibona sisiya phambili hayi bangalungisisa konke kuyaba yiswini.
Next one my brother. My brother.
Ngitshela njani?
Ngishapha skipper.
Mina eqinisweni first choice kukeeper. Bengathini. Awukeeper mina ngenzile kahle kakhulu.
So wephi ngokeeper?
Awukeeper yipi?
Okunye
abonanga.
Awukeeper.
Ayipi.
Nice one my brother.
Awubani.
Buya.
Lami malume.
Shaman.
Do you know what we did is it was a good game today. The lads played well. There's nothing I can complain about it. It's my first ever game after 20 years. Lokuzen. So Highlanders
Where were you, Rasta? Where were you?
I'm out in the open. I'm in the UK.
Oh, okay.
I'm in the UK. So I live over that side. I only come here to see parents and support the team.
How did you see the game itself?
The game itself was superb. The lads played well. And do you know what? Give credit to the keeper. You know, it deserved. If
the Islanders keeper?
Yeah, the Islanders keeper. Yeah. If I were to give man of the match, I'll give it. Credit to him. But thank you.
Thank you so much, Rasta.
Cheers.
Yeah, you know what? Okay.
Mara use good as.
You know, as for today's game, you know.
Also UK.
No, I'm not in UK. It's kiosks. Two of the better Islanders. It's kiosks. That's yourself. I'm not Chris. But what I want to say today is, the Islanders, we came here today, so Jerry Cup.
Thank you, my brother.
Charity Cup. We came here to see our new signings, our new players. And what we saw today is so far so good. I hope Benjamin Marwari is cooking something. Yeah, it's a good start. Because it depends, so far so good. It's good. Immediately. It's good. But the attack forward. You know those guys. But so far so good. You grew up in my hood, Enkulumani. So far so good, everything is good. Thank you, my brother. You watched the game today, Chief.
Sorry?
You watched the game today, Chief. That was a good game. Great game. But the one thing I want to say, one thing I want to say to the coach, please, coach, instead of the forward, wonderful. Defense, super. Mid, super clean. But the strikers,
they're not cheap.
I'm not happy with strikers. Huh?
Mana hizo mama, mana hizo mama.
No problem.
Mana hizo mama.
No problem, Chief. We win the game, so
vurugu sio mama wavumelana na wewe.
Okay.
Sisi wake uvumelana naye.
Ambume. Siyabonga namba 4 namba 19 maboza make. Namba 4 namba 19. Pick up, siyabonga.
Sisi wake.
Mina vele kupeleze Rusco. Shona bossa.
I'm happy. I'm very happy. Keep it up, boys. Keep it up. Tale kunje saitati league.
I just want to say to number 4, my guy, I like you so much. Keep it up. And number 5, my guy, especially number 4, you chill at the ground. It's like it's your room. It's like it's in your house, in your garden. Keep it up, my guy. Do that thing. We like it as a thing, man.
Nice one, man.
Number 4 and the number 15 is number 15 or 19. Keep it up, and
nice one, man.
Here in Paul, so we help you so much. We will
i-passing game kaBenjamin ngibona ngathi yazona kodwa kuyashota komedi kudala abantu ufuna omunye umuntu lapha akula number 10 wale Prince ubegcwele indawo yonke first half but second half uzamile mafana first half ubegcwele indawo yonke right mina njengomuntu obukela ibhola ngifuna ukuthi ngiphinde ngikhulume abantu bedala kule mjito odala mosesemuva mtana oyi-defend central lo mjito number 12 oyi-strike lo-shadrack mtana amajita lala achayibhora la yazibona odlala emuva lo isizakayiqedi lo bamthatha lo ivina lo mbona wethu lo captain lo uDarlington engatheli ibhora angibuza upodcast ukhala ukuthi wabe siya-check-a phethe udawo uyangena lapha namhlanje uyangena uDarlington lapha umbala nechayibhora mdala
overall yayephi ngokubonela manje
hayi njengoba ngijilo lapha ngizithi noma ngikhethe isikolani but mbonani abafana bayabuya kodwa hayi game akusasekhatshana omeve i-pre-season angeke zijazo ku-right akusase yi-pre-season angeke zirobhana akusasekhatshana
nice one
Hello, hi everyone.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How did you see the Frank match today?
That was excellent. Anyway, my name is Bongitam, one and only M. Sakobulawayo. Benjamin Warwaru is coming with it.
He's cooking.
Uriwat Musa is the best goalkeeper ever.
So far, we are happy.
I'm so happy. The Islanders is turning so good. I wish them all the best. Good pre-season. I wish them all the best. That was excellent.
Thank you, my sister.
You're welcome.
Nice one, Bongitam, man.
You're welcome. Now, done.
My brother.
How far? Skip it.
Go game nan.
Sweet.
We want to pre-season.
Frank. At least first game match. Abafana badanisa. Though I think maybe Masi apambila pa ama-wingers ethu. Apart from uPrince, asile enye winger esingathi siyithembile lapha. Even i-playmaker umuntu ozobe supply ama-strikers ngama-through balls, ama-chance clean akuda. But so far I think i-mid swing. uDarlington uPavard lo asopawari uPavard. So far abashapu laba i-defense I think kumele si-adjust mbijana pari swing. Apha uBenjamin emnikeni isikhathi.
Vele uzowathi chicken
uyasame chicken defender akubuza ile nawo tama chicken.
But otherwise, how did you see the friendly match?
Yeah, i-friendly match obviously abantu they think bahle batshintshwa yi-win. Babona iwini bahle batshintsha umcabango lokubona kwabo but basically the game wasn't that ibingachazi kakhulu as expected. But I'm happy overall for the turnout. I'm happy for Ichairos Chiri initiative. It was so nice. So yeah, I couldn't go for now.
Suitman,
mina so far I'm happy for ending of image from official zone. Honestly, generally I am a supporter. Badlale kuhle sibila ngada but I will promise ukuthi team elokuzeni. But anyway, mina I'm happy for uMartin uPenja uZenzo. that spirit uzenza asifakileyo noma hatshi that's the spirit se-Islander. We need abantu abanjani ebhoreni whereby abantu babe-down they motivated abantu. So I'm happy for yena uma hatshi lo zenzo lama supporters whole but kube nzima lakho hayi ayithembisa Islander.
But chances wasikhuluma ukuthi bekuyi-Frank Butho lezi izinto zabe zi-expected
kakhulu i-Frank lentona laphana most of the players I doubt seven ama-contract they are just being tested ukuthi bedlale nxa ukuthi especially i-right back akula kwa-Islanders number 4 lwana is just playing i-basic football akadlali ibhora le-art ngutibula ukuthi ibhora lingabuya kuwe see ball take ball but what I saw it was so nice though i-Dynamos silayo ayitshengisa ukuthi team engasirepresenta ku-CAF akula future since kulabo coach abakwazi ukuthi abayenzayo bafuze bebone ba-assessa because this is the biggest opportunity they can get to assess their teams and moving forward. But i-Islanders nxa ukuthi khona yibo abathembileyo I'm not seeing any good result in the coming future because iwinile of course i-Islanders but hayi ibingangijabulisi angikho happy.
Hayi masuthi la is not happy nawe not happy mana sibona ukuthi going forward kuyazala nkomona.
Umama engakhoma indoda lemali kumele support endlini. Uchiva alright ezosupport eRangers wakhonjwa umama wathola sovele kubaba. Ubaba sefile wakhoma indoda lemali umama mina ngigcine. eRangers asezizintandani. Siyakubongela khona ukuthi Chiva come wasithela ibhasi elisha electric sebebhosha sebeflasha so the kids sebepheka so the Wi-Fi free ayikholisi kodwa so the Wi-Fi free sebekwazi ukujusa amafoni abo. Siyabonga Chiva pick up Chivayo
Mayiphupha unjalo kuki my brother awufa keep on Frank the Dynamos charity
hayi umnandi hayi game imnandi hayi mawisuka phela ngikhulume la uyakhuluma ngithi hayi laphana hayi kulapha lapho kumele sihambe khona but hayi team khanye ngani saphekeka sharp hayi saphekeka hayi so far hayi akulokusolisayo ilapha nalapha nje kuphela ukuthi sifuna nathi ama-giant angaqinile emuva lapha but hayi team hayi sesingancedisa nathi labanye.
So besifuhle lo mdala uThiva into ezenzele yona uThivayo usebenza kanzima uThivayo usebenza kanzima uThivayo usebenza kanzima uThiva indebele lebhola zoshona uThiva indebele lebhola zoshona
ubone njani i-charity match?
Hayi ibe right kakhulu sithabe ukuthi match sephiwe second chance sembone BF hayi sithabe kakhulu sithabe match
uthole match
lokuthi babambile iPosi team yami hayi bibamba reward awu bebamba sipilo kuzayo hayi
akula nto isolayo
hayi akula
hayi siyabonga. Islanders won Dynamos 0 in the Gyros charity match here at Apapa Field Stadium. We are watching Pass and Move special. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share and engage in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.